Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with FlexOffers for advertiser approval. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the FlexOffers website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information on the application form. Provide accurate details about your website or platform. Describe your online content and audience clearly. Choose the type of advertiser you wish to connect with. Submit your application for review. Wait for a confirmation email from FlexOffers. Check your email inbox regularly, including the spam folder. Once approved, log into your FlexOffers account. Navigate to the Advertisers section of the dashboard. Search for the specific advertisers you want to partner with. Click on the advertiser's name to view their details. Review the advertiser's terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, click on the Apply button. Fill out any additional information requested by the advertiser. Submit your application for their approval. Monitor your account for updates on your application status. Once approved, you will receive an email notification. Log back into your FlexOffers account to access your new partnership. Start promoting the advertiser's products or services on your platform. Keep track of your performance through the dashboard analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.